I pay attention in my garden. I really do every day. But I didn't notice this little guy. And he's the second one I saw. And I'm up here in Maryland. Here's one that came out of its skin. There's one up on the top of a leaf. And I'm looking at this. And there's one up in a tree here somewhere. Here he is right here. Oh my goodness. I hope they don't come back like they did 17 years ago. I mean, they massacred everything that was growing. And I'm just checking my trees to see if I see any more. Okay, I don't see any more right now. This is insane. I mean, I thought that they were supposed to not come this year. Okay. I don't see any more. The apple trees over here are doing their thing. It looks all healthy. I don't see any so far at the base. None on my Honey Crisp. None on my Pink Lady. None on my Granny Smith. Okay. Maybe it was just a false alarm, ladies and gentlemen, but I'll keep you posted.